Okay, so we finally got some snowy rain, icy stuff, and now it's melted, but it's still a little cool. And I'm almost afraid to do this video because I hate to say it, I have not been in my greenhouse in perhaps a couple of weeks. So hopefully everything is still alive and well. As you can see, it's rained a lot, and there's some permaculture work that needs to be done here because this could be a lake. Let's see here, 40, what does that look like? 40, I don't know, about 7 degrees Celsius or so. Again, I have not been in here in a while, so hopefully everything is still kosher. Oops. It's my super duper lock. Okay, let's see. All right. Wow. Okay. So let's see here. Looks like the tomato plants have not been getting enough water, but I've got lots of tomatoes. Awesome. Okay. And the reason they're not getting enough water is because the tank water is really low. And hopefully the fish are still okay. As you can see, these microgreens have completely grown. And of course there's more over there. And I guess that's what happens when you don't pay attention for a little while. Everything grows like crazy. Okay, so I've got plenty of salad material. As you can see, the tank is very low. And here's the mushroom chamber. I see no mushrooms. And of course it's drying out a little bit because right now when the water level drops, the geyser pumps stop working as well. They stop working. You can see they're still dripping. So they're always sort of putting some water into the system, which is kind of nice because as you can see, even though I haven't paid any attention to the system, the plants are still alive. The fish are probably pissed off, but everything is still going full blast. So anyways, I'm gonna pick me some salad because it looks like I've got a lot of salad to pick. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will be posting this video because the fish are still alive.